Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be very educational and exciting. So yeah, if you are here for learn about makeup and stuff, please stay tuned. This video help you a lot. So today's tutorial is red smoky eye makeup tutorial. So here we already done CTM, and that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Now we move forward to primer. So I used Aryan primer. So here's the question is why we use primer before makeup? Because it's smoothen our skin, and this primer is pore filling primer and it is hydrating one, and it's usually for dry skin. Now I use Derma concealer from Kryolan palette. According to her skin, I use DFD shade. I'm just gonna apply that to cancel out her darkness. I do spread with brush on under eye and other parts of the face. Then I blend it properly. Then I put desired tone to make it even in tone. Then I do eyebrow highlight. And blend it with sponge. Then I do eye base. Eye base is so important because it enhances the eyeshadow color. Now I do highlights the parts of the face. And cover the neck. I do powder log in under eye. And spread it all over the face. Powder lock is also an important part of an eye makeup. It locks the base and it's easy to put any color. I used white shadow. You can also use white eyeshadow to lock the base. It's enhancing the light or dark color and whatever you want to put in eyeshadow. So first I make the crease from brown eyeshadow. Then I put dark color on outer of an eye and light on middle and smudged it properly. Then I make the crease. And put Chopril shimmer to lock the crease. I do nose contour, then lip contour. I do lip cleaning with Nivea lip balm. Now I do bold lips. If we done our lip contour, then we make lip shape. And put dark color on lip corner and light on front of the lip. Now I do eyeliner. And make tear duct. I put blusher on cheekbone. Then I use use highlighter. I do highlighter on cheekbones. Down the bridge of nose. Little touch on upper lips and chin.